Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 5th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro-dollar monthly, I'm still looking at this as either making an expanding flat, which would take it up above these highs, or possibly a running flat, which would make a lower high. Either scenario, we still have a lot of upside potential, and either scenario, I think we should be able to recognize when that move is over. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I believe that this is actually all in a wave 3 already. I think we're in subdivisions of that wave 3, so this is like a 1 of 3, this is a wave 2 of wave 3. I think that we are in that wave 3 of 3 right now already, and yeah, there definitely will be some pullbacks along the way, but on these higher time frames, it definitely should continue to make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, pretty significant little move to the downside, and you definitely cannot argue the fact that that move down is a trend, which is why I think it's a wave A. I think that we're now probably in a wave B, which is a correction to the wave A. I would expect it to go out to one of these Fibonacci retracements and probably make a bounce and go back down for a wave C before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have a breaker structure of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, which I believe is a wave A. I believe that now we are likely now going up, which there's probably going to be a pretty significant pullback in the middle of this for the wave B. So I would expect us to be in an ABC of wave B, which I think would go up to probably the 60 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement of this last move down before we get that bigger push down for the bigger wave C. So, keeping all this in mind, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we do have a breaker structure telling us that the wave A to the downside is over. This move up actually should be a trend because this move up should be a wave A of B. At some point, we'll probably make a pretty significant pullback in the middle for a wave B of B, and then I would expect another push up for a wave C of wave B, just like what I was showing and explaining on the higher time frames. I think it's likely we'll go up to the 61.8 or maybe the 50% Fibonacci retracement before we get that big impulsive move down at a Fibonacci level and potentially a breaker structure for the continuation of the bigger wave C on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.